Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Polaris Sportsman Quad 570 cc's, fuel injected, liquid cooled, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission. That thing is equipped with a front winch. It's got a rear towing. It's got bumpers, brush guards, fender rails, and a camo color, all-wheel drive. Beautiful condition, only 17 hours on this really gorgeous, I mean, it's almost like showroom condition Sportsman Polaris. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Price to sell just $69.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We've got financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. There we go. Woohoo! Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.